Hello and welcome to this video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial because I still don't have my laptop fixed, but I did get a new phone, so I've got like a better camera on my phone than my iPad, so I was thinking of filming it on here and seeing if it looks better, because I don't like filming makeup videos on my iPad because it's just not that good quality, and it makes me like annoyed because then I upload it to YouTube and then it gets even worse quality, if you know what I mean. So I'm in a different setup because normally I sit over there, at my desk thing, but that's when I have a tripod, because I have a tripod and I have my camera to put on my tripod, but I can't film on my camera. So I've got my light here, and then I've got the window here, so hopefully the lighting isn't too bad and hopefully the setup isn't too bad. But yeah, so I'm just gonna see what happens, and hopefully this video doesn't go too bad because I don't know, I dyed my hair pink, so I'm gonna do like a pink sort of look. I've done a pink glittery eyeshadow look before and I will link it down below. I've already done my foundation, my highlight, contour and blush. For my highlight I used the Soph X Revolution palette and I used the pink shade. I think it's the first one on the bottom row. And I used, for my contour, because I don't know, I put my Anastasia Beverly Hills one, I just used this shade here in the Soph Does Nails palette, but I can't remember what that shade is called. And for my blush, I can't remember what I used. It's just like a little thing. I think it's like a no brand thing, whatever. I don't know where it came from, but I used that. And I've done my eyebrows obviously, so I will link my eyebrow tutorial thing down below. And I'm gonna stop rambling now, so I'll go get into the video. And yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, I just know I'm doing pink because if you haven't noticed, pink is my favourite colour. So yeah, okay, so because I'm not filming on my camera I can't zoom in, but when I'm editing I'll try and zoom in and hopefully it's okay quality. I'm just using my normal Kiko 56 blending brush, and I'm going to start with this white shade and just put it all over my eyelid and eye, and just all over my eye basically, just to set the foundation and whatever. I did set it with powder, but I like to set it with a white eyeshadow as well. Next I think I'm just going to go straight in with the pink. I'm just going to use this pink here. But I'm going to go in with this like pinky sort of colour here, and I'm just going to add some of that in my crease as well, more so towards the outside, like the outer crease on both sides. Okay, so I just kind of switched the lighting up and I think this looks a bit better. I hope it does, and if it looked really bad at the start, I'm sorry, but this is literally all I've done to my eyes so far. I think I'm going to go in with this shade from the Sleek Eye Divine Original 594 palette, and I'm just going to take it on this little brush here. I don't know where it came from or what make it is because it doesn't have anything on it, but yeah, I'm just going to take it and just put it all over my eyelid. Okay, so I just kind of like winged the eyeshadow out a bit. I just got my beauty blender and just put like the edge against it. I didn't put any more foundation or anything on, just like the leftover of what it was. Now I think it looks a bit better, but what I'm doing now is just taking the same little brush thing and going in with the same pink from the Soph palette and just running it like under my eyes. Okay, so now it should look something like this. I don't exactly know where I'm going with this, but I don't know, I like this shape of eyeshadow. I never really do this kind of eyeshadow shape, but yeah, do you like my fairy lights? Okay, so what I'm going to do now is go back in with the Juvia's Place palette and go in with the goldy sort of, what colour is it? Goldy, pinky, rose gold. That's what it is, it's a rose gold. And I'm just going to go in with the little brush again and just put it all over my eyelids, just in the same place that I put the other one from the Sleek palette, but I just wanted to build it up a little bit more. If you're wondering what foundation I used, by the way, it's the Primark one. It's the 251 that I did a review on, and I will link my review down below, because I really love that foundation now. Like, I've used most of it up, because it's like good coverage, but it's also looks like skin, if you know what I mean. Like, this is the foundation and I really love it. So what I'm going to do next is go in with the glitter. I think this is my favourite pink glitter in the whole world ever, and it's Poetti by Give Face Cosmetics. I'm just going to take a bit of the glitter gel and I'm just going to put it on my hand, just like that much or something, and then just pat it, just so it's not like clumpy, if you know what I mean. And then just put it where you want to put the glitter, and just put the glitter on top. So that's the glitter on, and I just added glitter like under my eyes as well, and I just think it looks so nice like this. So this is just the finished eye look. I'm going to try and find a lipstick to put on, but I'm not sure. But yeah, it literally matches my hair. I love it so much. So I just finished the look off with this lipstick. It is Moxie by MUA in the velvet lip lacquer thing. I forgot I had this one, and I think it suits it really nice. Goes with the look, I don't know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and leave some feedback if you want to. And make sure to subscribe if you really liked me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!